Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. This week I'm doing a pink champagne inspired makeup look, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. Pink champagne is exactly what it sounds like. It is champagne but in pink. So we're going to be using one eyeshadow palette and we're going to be using the W7's Socialite. And the first color I want to go in with is the Polished, which is this one right here. I want to go in with a bigger fluffy brush like so. And where I want to place this eyeshadow is in the outer corner and up into my crease, and then bring it down to my lower lashes, and that's it. The next color I want to go in with is the same eyeshadow palette, the W7 Socialite, and I want to go in with Extravagance, which is this one right here. And for this I want to use my finger and just dab it in the inner corner towards the middle where the eyeshadows will meet. The next thing I will put on is some eyeliner, and I'm using the Dipliner Ink by H&M that looks like this. And I do have an eyeliner tutorial and I will try to link it up right here, so you can go and check that out. I will curl my lashes. And then I will put on Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this. And I will apply it only to my upper lashes. I don't need it on my lower. That's why I put the eyeshadow down here to fill this out. You can put on fake lashes if you want to, but I think this is enough for me today. I'm using this as a day look. I think if I wore this as an evening, I would put fake lashes on. But to intensify the outer corner, the eyeliner a little bit more, I will put another eyeliner on. And this one doesn't have a name, but it's just an eyeliner like this. And I will put that in the outer corner of my upper waterline only. And then I will put some eyeliner on and then I will put some highlighter on, and I think I want to stick to the pink theme, so I'm going in with Makeup Revolution Take a Breather, and I'm using this one. And the brushes I will be using are these three brushes. The last thing I will put on is some setting spray, and I'm using the Base Fix by Makeup Revolution. And here you have it, a pink champagne makeup look. I think this is absolutely perfect for, well, technically all year round, but for those summer nights when it's romantic and it's luxurious and feminine, this is absolutely perfect for that. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!